Communities in Somalia are facing ongoing instability and climatic shocks. The Somali government, local communities, and the Somali diaspora have invested millions of dollars to address critical needs, support development, and bring sustained change to the country. But remittance and aid often flow in isolated streams, resulting in less impact. The IOM's co-funding mechanism aims to change this. It enables communities to acquire skills, to co-finance and manage their own development projects in partnership with local government. The co-funding mechanism encourages groups to work together, reducing competition over resources. Here is how it works. First, communities identify a priority that is sustainable, inclusive, environmentally friendly, and addresses a need. This can be a public good, service, or infrastructure. Selection of a local vendor is also encouraged within the program to help boost the local economy. The community submits the idea to the local government for discussion and approval, and onwards to IOM for evaluation. Then IOM teams train the communities to fundraise, open a bank account, and set up an online fundraising platform. When the community reaches their fundraising goal, they draft and submit an official proposal formalized by the government and IOM. At this point, IOM will double, triple, or further multiply the money based on an agreed ratio. The more diverse the contributing communities, the larger the scope of the project, and the more the project contributes to peace and stability, the higher the co-funding ratio. Supporting communities and local governments to be the main driver of their own recovery enhances urgency, transparency, and trust. It increases trust amongst community members as well as between the community and the local authorities. Through collective action, ownership, and interdependence, communities become less dependent on external aid. As of May 2024, 45 community priorities are being constructed, benefiting more than 1.5 million people across 4 states affected by conflict and instability in South and Central Somalia. Communities have collectively fundraised close to $500,000, which IOM have matched with approximately $2 million. The co-funding mechanism is Humanitarian Development and Peace Nexus, HDPN, in action. IOM hopes to expand it to other locations affected by conflict in Somalia and beyond.